everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you, and it is a new NYX beauty box, and this is their beauty edit. It's the YSL edit. There's 8 products inside, but you get to choose either a YSL lipstick or a YSL fragrance. I've opted for the fragrance. It has a value of over £50 and can be purchased for £18. I bought a birthday box from NYX before and I thought it was brilliant. Hopefully inside there will be a card which I'll show you, but it's just a great little box to keep for yourself. Obviously I'm keeping the product for myself or to pass on. £18 is a great affordable birthday gift for someone that absolutely adores beauty, skincare, makeup, etc. There's lots of other boxes on their website. I have got another one ready to film, but I can't remember the name of that one. It hasn't got a outer packaging like this, but but it's a good one, or else I wouldn't have got it. But yeah, you'll find links to this box down below in my description, as well as links to all the other boxes as well. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside their newest birthday edit. Yeah, they got this little card. And it's just like a little birthday card. It says "To happy birthday from," so you can fill that in, and inside it just details everything about the products inside the box, so I will refer to this as we go along. A quick sneak peek first. Out of the 8 products, there's 2 full size, and the first full size one is an Iconic London eyeshadow palette, and it retails for £15. This is... has it got a name, a particular eyeshadow? No, just it says it's a soft and smoky palette. Ooh, there you got a little mirror. I'll turn that upside down so you can see the colours there. Gorgeous colours. I might already have this palette. I have got a few of these that I've received in different advent calendars. But there you can see the shades. Please excuse my dodgy tan. Oh my gosh, it is disgusting. I'm going to have to literally scrub it to get off. So you've got an eyeshadow palette. Then the fragrance. This is Libre. This is going to be gorgeous. This is Yves Saint Laurent. It's Eau de Parfum and it's a 7.5 mils. This is my ultimate favourite perfume. Top perfume. I absolutely love it. It is such a beautiful perfume. Oh my gosh. I don't think I've ever had a little teeny tiny one like this before. Oh look, it's exactly like the full size. Look, isn't that gorgeous? So perfect handbag size. Oh, I love it. I love it. And the smell. Oh, it's my favourite perfume. Oh, I do really like it. Now, if you don't want the perfume, if you fancy the lipstick instead, I don't think it tells you the shade, but it does show you online. Oh, I love that. Yeah, really chuffed with that. It's got a little miniature Libre perfume from YSL. Next up, we've got a beauty blending sponge by Brushworks. This is a HD definer complexion sponge. Ooh. I have got a ton of these now, so these don't really excite me anymore. Handy, really handy, but I have got a load of them. I love that it's got an angle, like a flat angle there. Next we've got Scent to Sleep by Neom Organics. This is a Perfect Night's Sleep Magnesium Body Butter and there's 30 mils here. This is beautiful. I've got a full size version of this. I really like it. I've received a few in different beauty boxes as well. Yeah, I really do like it. It's behind me next to my bed. Next we've got a nail polish. This is Keeping It Real in Kensington. This is really pretty actually. This is a very shimmery pinky colour by Nails Inc. 45-second polish there. As you can see, I have gels done, but I still like to do my toes, and yeah, I really like that. I don't think I've received that colour before. No, it's pretty. Next we've got a retinol under eye patch. It contains retinol, vitamin C and aloe, and this is by Beauty Pro. There's one set of pads in there, and you leave them on for 20 minutes, peel them off, pat in, you're good to go. Then we've got a little sample of Estee Lauder. This is a Watery Glow Primer, 5 mils. Ooh, Watery Glow Primer. Feels really nice. Oh, it does. It feels really gorgeous. Bit glowy there. There's that. And then lastly, from Nooks, this is a multi-purpose dry oil for face, body and hair. And this is in their floral scent. And we've got 30 mils here. This is a gorgeous product. It is really, really lovely. I love the original as well. It's so, so nice. And they've got shimmery ones. Oh, it just smells so nice. Oh, it's so, so nice. I can smell neroli in there. I absolutely love it. I'm sure there's neroli in there. It just says, enriched with 7 precious botanical oils, leaving the skin with a gorgeous satin sheen while smelling floral and fresh. Yeah, that's really, really nice and nice size as well. So there you go. So those are all the products inside this birthday edition Next Beauty box. You've got a choice of a YSL lipstick or a YSL perfume. The cost of the box is £18 and it has a value of over £50. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. I opted for the fragrance. So there's a 7.5ml Libre perfume there. Got a Brushworks complexion sponge. We got a Neom Organics Magnesium body butter. Got a Nails Ink nail polish in Keeping It Real in Kensington. We've got an Iconic London eyeshadow palette in Soft and Smoky. Beauty Pro Retinol under eye patches. Estee Lauder Watery Glow Primer. And Nooks multi-purpose dry oil for face, body and hair in Scent Floral. And it comes with this little card that you can fill in with details of the products on there. Yeah, really happy with it. I love these birthday boxes and I'm so glad that they keep bringing them back because I just think they're a genius idea. Really, really handy. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of the products in this box? Did you go for it for yourself or did you buy it for someone else? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.